More than ever, professional cleaning is in the spotlight in preventing the coronavirus pandemic and maintaining the health of all human beings. Several professionals at all levels acted in a synchronized and immediate way, employing and sharing knowledge, experiences, and a lot of determination. Cleaning staff, stewards, managers, salespeople, administrators, traders, chemists. Its actions are responsible not only for maintaining health and preventing diseases in Brazil, but for the entire planet, which is increasingly interconnected. Today, each of these professionals has become a global health warrior. Congratulations to these professionals. We from Bralimpia Group thank you for your valuable work. Since we were born until the end of our journey in this world, cleaning is a major factor that significantly affects our evolution and quality of life.